Hey guys and girls, and welcome to the first video of my Barcelona guide series. I was 6 weeks in Barcelona and I will give you my best tips and tricks and places to visit. And my favorite place in whole Barcelona is the Parc de la Ciutadella, and I will give you all the most important information about this sightseeing here, this very beautiful park, which is called Parc de la Ciutadella. Where is it located, what is the price, and you get all the nice information here, all the important information, so make sure to stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't already. Would really appreciate it if you also leave a like and write a comment if you already been to Barcelona or this park and what is your favorite spot in Barcelona. So let's begin, and thanks for staying here and watching the video. So, what is Parc de la Ciutadella? It's a really big, beautiful park. It has some monuments. It has a pond here, which you can see. Oh yeah, and before I forget, I will also show you footage which I recorded by myself with the GoPro and my phone in the end of the video. So here is a little pond. The park entrance is free. You don't need to pay for a ticket to go in there. The best way is to take the metro. This one here. I think it's M1, L1 here in the metro station, and then you get out here, or there are some nearby, some others as well, but this one is the best, the nearest, Arc de Triomphe is it called, because you can see two sightseeings at once. And the first one is you go out here, then you walk and you see the big Arc de Triomphe right here. Really nice. I will make a video on this as well. Then you have a really nice promenade. You can chill here, you can sit, there are very many restaurants, some fast foods right here, and then you walk, you have a nice walk. There is one monument Arius Taulet, and then you cross the street and you're in the park already. And there is a Castel dels Tres Dragones. Castel des Tres Dracs is the same. Here is a little font, and then I would suggest you to go, of course, explore the whole park, but go here on this side, turn to this side, because here is the main attraction, which is the Fuente Ornamental y Neptu, like the statue El Carro de la Aurora también. And if you're here, this is the main attraction. You have a really nice, as you can see on this picture, a pond. You have some sculptures, monuments, and it's really beautiful. You can walk up here the stairs and make some great pictures and videos. I will show you after I gave you all the information about it. And here you can pay to go with a boat here on a boat ride. And yeah, just check the prices here on Google Maps, because they will update, I think. But here you can see it. There is also the zoo nearby, which you can visit for, yeah, maybe 10 to 20 euros. This I think will be around the same, not too expensive, but still it's a bit touristic. There are people selling water, so you don't even need to carry your water with, you can buy it everywhere. There are lavabos publics. I don't know if you need to pay there. I never been to this one, because I think they maybe are dirty. I don't know, because many people are here. And then you walk here, you can take this route. There is a mammoth statue, which is really cool. You can take some pictures, the children and even the adults will have fun. And there is a nice building as well, which is the Parliament de Catalunya, and then the Plaza de Juan Viveller. And this was under construction a bit, so but you can still walk through, but it's not the best at the moment, so I hope they will soon finish the constructions. There's also a nice little building right here, an Institut Verdaguer, and of course on this side there is one attraction, which is the Jardins Fonseremestre y Umbrasle del Parc, which is this, which is really nice. You can go inside, it's free, everything is free in this park, just a boat ride you need to pay. Yeah, as you can see, it's really bonita. And yeah, that's it about the... Oh yeah, and there is the zoo nearby. And this statue de General Juan And this one is the Zoo de Barcelona. So here you can go with your children, or if you like going to zoos. I think it's not the biggest zoo, but still a big one. I've not been there, but if you are into zoos or you want to go with your friends, with your children, I can recommend it. I think it's a good one. It is not the biggest, but it's a big one. So it's like a third of the park nearly. So it will take some time to go through all the animals and stuff. So yeah, if you go there, if you want to take a boat ride, you can do it here. Here is the best place to take some pictures. You can just chill. There are everywhere benches. You don't need to carry your own water. But okay, this one, yeah, okay. Yeah, they got everything here. Yeah. The best thing is to just walk and explore it by yourself, but here you have a little guide. My favorite place is this one for taking the pictures and just chilling out, but I like to just take a walk. For all my Pokemon Go fans, it's amazing here. There are also some events happening, so if you play it, you can meet up with people here and connect yourself. I will make a video about that, how to connect in Barcelona with locals. And yeah, that was the most important news. I hope you enjoy now the footage I will show you. And thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching and hasta luego.
Mm-hmm.